Sony will launch a specially designed PS4 to thank PlayStation fans for helping the platform to exceed 525.3 million units sold worldwide. The PlayStation 4 Pro 500 million limited edition will launch on August 24 and will be available for £449.99 $499.99. The special design sees the classic black PS4 interchanged by a deep blue translucent console with PS4 copper logos, with the individual number of Unit 1 to 50,000 inscribed on the front. Only 50,000 of the limited edition consoles will be available, so you'll want to move fast. In addition, a limited edition gold cordless handset and wireless controller will be sold separately. The headset costs £79.99 $99.99, while the driver costs £54.99 $64.99. The controller is half translucent blue and half matte, while the gold headset 500 million limited edition is finished in the same dark color, with the copper PlayStation logo on both sides. They will also be available as of August 24, again in limited numbers.